everyone. Today I am here to tell you how to teach phonics. What is phonics? Phonics is an effective way of teaching kids how to read, decode and eventually read English words. Usually, kids between 3 to 5 years old have already attempted to read small words little by little. It is true that there are big boys and girls who cannot read, speak and write properly because they were never introduced to phonics. So today I am going to teach you the phonics and their sound. Do you know the alphabet? Yes, it has 26 letters. These 26 letters have their own sound. Each letter produces different sound. So let's start. What is this? This is letter A. Letter A is the first letter of the alphabet. Next, what is the sound of letter A? It's A. A. The sound of letter A is A. What is this? This is A and this is small a. The sound of letter A is A. A. What are the words that start with letter A? It's apple, ant and aeroplane. Next we have the second letter of the alphabet and it is letter B. Letter B. Okay, what is the sound of letter B? It's B. 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 The sound of letter B is B. What is this? This is the B and this is small b. The sound of letter B is B. 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 What are the words that start with letter B? It's boy, ball, basket, etc. Next I have the letter C. Letter C has two sounds. When C is followed by A, O and U has a hard sound of K. When C is followed by E, I or Y has a soft sound of S. K as in car and S as in city. Next I have the letter D. What is the sound of letter D? It's D. D. As in doll, dog. Next I have the letter E. Letter E has two sounds. One is E and one is A. When E is followed by any vowel has a long sound of E. As in eagle and ear. When E is followed by any consonant has a short sound of A. A. As in elbow. Next I have the letter F. Letter F. The sound of letter F is F. F. As in fan, frog, fish. Next I have the letter G. What is this? G. What is the sound of letter G? Letter G has two sounds. One is G. Usually we use the sound of G as in gun, but when G is followed by E, I or Y has a long sound of J. J. As in gem, jumps. Next I have a letter H. What is this? H. The sound of letter H is H. As in horse, hunt. Next, I have the letter I. What is this? I. What is the sound of letter I? Letter I also having two sounds. One is E, as in ink pot, igloo. Next, when second letter of the word followed by any vowel, then the sound of I converts into I, like in ice cream. Next, I have the letter J. What is this? J. The sound of letter J is J. J. As in joker, jug. Next letter is letter K. What is this? K. The sound of letter K is ka, ka, ka. As in kite, king. Next letter is letter L. What is this? Letter L. The sound of letter L is la, la. As in lamp, leaf. Next letter is letter M. What is this? Letter M. What is the sound of letter M? It's ma, 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 as in monkey, mango. Next letter is letter N. What is this? Letter N. What is the sound of letter N? It's no, 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 as in nest. Next letter is letter O. What is this? Letter O. O sound is O, O, as in orange. Next letter is letter P. What is this? Letter P. The sound of letter P is pa, pa, as in parrot. Next letter is letter Q. What is this? Letter Q. The sound of letter Q is qua, qua, as in quill. Next letter is letter R. What is this? Letter R. The sound of letter R is R, R, as in rain. Next letter is letter S. What is this? Letter S. The sound of letter S is sa, sa, as in sun. Next letter is letter What is this? Letter T. The sound of letter T is T. T as in train. Next letter is letter U. What is this? Letter U. The sound of letter U is A. A as in umbrella. Next letter is letter V. What is this? Letter V. The sound of letter V is V. V. Make sure when you pronounce the sound of letter V, your lower lip should be touch your upper teeth, as in when, when, when. Next letter is W. What is this? W. The sound of W is W. W. Make sure when you pronounce the sound of letter W, nothing should be touch your lips, as in watch, watch, watch. Next letter is letter X. What is this? Letter X. The sound of letter X is X, X, as in X-ray. Next letter is letter Y. What is this? Letter Y. The sound of letter Y is Y. Y as in yak. Next letter is letter Z. Z. What is this? Letter Z. The sound of letter Z is Z, Z, as in zebra. Thank you.